Define external fertilization and mention its what? Read carefully. Disadvantages. Okay, so let's start. What is external fertilization? External fertilization occurs outside of the body of an organism during the process. This process, parent releases sperm and eggs into a surrounding of water. Example, where fertilization occurs, where fertilization occurs. And thus major disadvantages of this type of fertilization are: the fertilization of egg is not always sure. It is not sure. Second, the offsprings are not protected from a predator. Third, a large number of gametes are wasted because it only occurs in water and sometimes absence of turbulence of water. Now kids, what happens in external fertilization is, there's this, we have taken an example of a frog. So in frogs, female frogs will go and lay eggs. Now they don't know how many of them are going to be fertilized. So what they'll do is, they're going to lay a lot more than what they want. Okay, so out of say 1,000 eggs, only 10% of them would be fertilized. Let's not get into statistics, but let's say they will give they'll lay a lot of eggs. The male frog will come and they try to fertilize all of them by releasing sperm in the water. But as this process is not occurring inside a particular organism, right? You don't know, or there is no surety whether an egg is fertilized or not. Second, what if there is other animal, there is a predator and it comes over? The predator is going to eat up all the eggs. So the safety of offspring is not again sure. So it is one of the biggest disadvantage. And lastly, the gametes are wasted because there is no surety whether there would be turbulence in water. Whether the sperm will meet the egg. So these are the main disadvantages of having external fertilization. Let's look at the answer again. It is like, external fertilization occurs outside. External means outside of the body of an organism. During this process, the parent releases sperm and eggs into surrounding water, where fertilization occurs. And major disadvantages are, fertilization of egg is not always sure. Second, offsprings are not protected from the predator. And lastly, large number of gametes are wasted because it only occurs in water. It does not occur outside water, and thus because of absence of turbulence, they won't meet and the external fertilization will not happen. Let me show you a diagrammatic explanation. Say this is a frog. Okay, this is a frog. Female frog. She is going to go and lay eggs. These are so many eggs. Okay, this is occurring all inside of water. Now, there comes male frog. This male frog is going to lay sperms. Okay, now what is happening? It is not occurring inside a body of an organism, it is occurring outside of the body. The medium is water. So it is not sure that each and every egg that the female frog has laid is going to be fertilized. Second, what if there is a fish or a shark and it comes and eats up the eggs? Again, no fertilization will occur. And if wave or turbulence does not occur, then the sperm will not meet the egg and the fertilization will not occur. Okay, kids? Are we clear? This is our question number 12. External fertilization and its disadvantages.